What's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Zemix Nevada's vlog here. And right now, guys, Zyra Z and my friend Susit,
I'm super.
we're here at the farm. For now, this is our farm. Charot. So, ipagpakita namin sa inyo, guys, yung canola farm. Yung ginagawang canola oil. So, ayan yun dyan, guys. That's the canola oil. Anyway, it's not oil yet. It's canola. So, we're gonna take a picture. 3 of us. And we'll go closer. Alright, let's go. So, ayan siya, guys. Let's go closer. Oh, this. Look. So this is a canola. It's so beautiful.
Seems like you're not enjoying. What we're doing here,
So all the way there, and as you can see, and also in the other side is
lahat ng yellow, yan yung kanala.
that's the other side there. It's corn. So that's corn.
Where?
That side there, it's corn. That side. So this is the canola farm. Ito yung ginagawang canola oil. Okay, get start up there. I'll take you picture, you and Suset.
More.
Okay, just. Daran.
Ay, nakabigyan na.
Naka-video na. So guys, hey baby.
The little boy blue. Under the haystack, fast asleep. And
Sa
this
amin
is-
ito, charat.
Oo nga.
Inaangkin.
Nakikita niyo ba yan? Sa kanila yan. Dito lang yan sa amin.
Ang halaman doon ay sari-sari,
Singkamas at talong,
sigarilyas at mani. Hey!
sitaw, bataw, patani.
Bum 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 bum.
Ano susunod?
Iwan ko.
Singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani. Sitaw,
Parang
Bataw,
pabalik-balik eh.
patani. May, ano bang Tagalog ng corn? Mais at canola.
Mais at
At
canola.
may sunflower pa. Sa paligid-ligid ay puno ng damo.
Yay!
Who wants to get snapped with this very sharp? Thank you.
Alright guys, this is the corn field. Akin yan. Walang pag-aari ng iba. Sa akin lang yan. Sa akin lang yan. Aking inaangkin. Diba di guys? Ang lawak-lawak ng ano ko. Corn farm. Yan. Hanggang doon yan. Hanggang hindi mo na makikita. Yan.
Dito kami sa cornfield.
And my friend
Isa
Susie.
sa mga crops dito sa field na to, yung corn,
Please
canola.
Please subscribe her channel. What's your channel?
Meron akong channel pero walang laman. Lalagyan natin.
Oh, she just started guys. So,
Oo.
shout out.
Soon, coming soon. I just don't know when.
So, kasi malayo kami sa mall.
Mhm.
And this is our kind of something for fun to do.
Leisure time.
So,
Punta sa bukid. We're enjoying our time here on the field. Even though the sun's still hot.
save
What time
money
is it?
though.
Oh yeah. It's 7:59 p.m. Still
Yeah,
the
it's
sun is up there as if it's 12 o'clock.
yeah, ang init pa guys. Sobrang init pa. All right, and that's all for today. And we have to say
See you again
bye-bye.
next time.
And
Maybe next Saturday.
hoping you guys you like our simple vlog videos for today. And once again, this is Zemix Nevada's vlog. And thank you. Bye-bye.